I got the bag, tell a friend, yeah. Drippin', really got the TikTok mission.
Programming has been great recently. We just brought in like 16 new members and it's been awesome exercise breaking them in. We just made the switch from LabView to Java and that's been insanely difficult, but with help from our mentors, it's been really easy. And we're breaking out the new Limelight vision tracking camera and that's been amazing. It's been helping us so much with our depositing process and our games, and we're just starting to learn how we can utilize that in the future. Thank you guys so much.
I got the bag, tell a friend.
Hi, my name is Katia, and I've been a part of Team 54 for 4 years. This is my second year as captain and as manufacturing lead. By far, this has been our best preseason for our team so far. For this year in manufacturing, we've split up the team into seniors and juniors, so we're meeting in separate nights, and that's helping us develop like the senior skills in conventional machining, CNC, milling, and CNC plasma cutting. And for the new members, we're just getting started on a mini chassis, which they're really excited about, and we just finished our lathe project, which is getting their like basic skills, and soon we'll be doing their assembly skills as well. Other than that, we've worked on a lot of shop rehabilitation this year to get us prepared for the build season, so tooling, storage, inventory, hardware organizing, sheet metal storage racks, and a lot of other shop related things. So I'm really proud of all the effort that our members are putting in, not only to build their skills but also help the shop in general.
So for the preseason for the CAT team, we've just been looking at robots from past seasons and competitions and designing the intake system and chassis for the 2017 robot.
With the help of our sponsors, we've been able to train 7 new and eager recruits for our electronics section of the robotics team. With this funding, we've been able to provide them with the resources required to improve our current robots, as well as the technology required to help them improve our robots for the years to come.